Hey Darryl, how's it? This is how you do it for exporting to Excel. So you open up your RacePack DataLink program, open up a run. We want to see engine RPM and drive shaft RPM. And we go to File, Print and Save ASCII data. So it'll save out the file as an ASCII file. We're going to separate the columns into with commas. We want to do it every 0.02 of a second. I don't know why they've got this new page, because spreadsheets aren't really done in pages. But yeah, basically keep it on comma and put 0.02, then click OK. It'll ask you where to save it. I'm going to save it to the desktop as Darryl. Then that side of the RacePack is done, and it makes this file here on the desktop. If you open it up with, I'll just get Notepad up. If you drag it into a Notepad file, you'll see that it's making one column for time, one column with a drive shaft, and the other with engine RPM separated with commas. But we want to open it up with Microsoft Excel, so we load up Excel, go to File, Open, choose Darryl file on the desktop. Actually, I'm just going to drag it on there. Nope, scrap that. That doesn't work. Don't do it that way. Go File, Open. Choose this to be on asterisk. Then double click on Darryl. It'll say, what the hell is this file? And we want it to be delimited so that every time it sees a certain character, whether that's a tab or a comma in our case, it'll separate them into a column. Should be able to leave this on OEM United States. Then you go next. We want to untick tab because that comes up as the default, and choose semicolon. Comma. And then that's now. You'll notice that it puts these lines in here when you click that. It knows to change the commas to lines and to put them into columns. Then next, yeah, you can do some data editing here and you can do that later. So just click finish. It's like you can make these numbers have so many decimal places afterwards, and whether you want to put certain symbols like dollar signs or whatever. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Finish, and there it is. And then from there, you can do your own calculation here. I don't know, like equals sum this column plus this column, for example, and it'll make that calculation in here now for that plus that. You can drag that up there and do your own little cool stuff in Microsoft Excel, rather than being limited to this program and its ways of doing it. You can export it out into Excel. Yeah, sweet. Catch you later.